Hi, this is Byron from Press Lock Technologies. I'm a cold metal joining specialist. So the boss comes to you and says, I got some 20 thou aluminum and I got some 18 gauge steel parts. Those two need to go together. Oh man, what are we gonna do, right? That's not gonna weld so good. So, all right, you come up to your fancy clinching machine. Maybe this will solve all my problems. I mean, the T-Rex does solve a lot of problems, but hey, what are you going to do, right? So you've got the 18 gauge and you say, okay, what if I just stick it together? What's going to happen? Well, shoot, that's not going to work. You know, because of the part, I've got this big 18 gauge, got to put this little clip on here. I guess I'm done. Well, just be careful that you don't go and make a decision too quickly. So I'm just going to do, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to leave the power on this machine and flip this tooling. You shouldn't do that, but so I'm switching these around, and that's just to demonstrate that I'm changing the direction of the clinch. That's all. So now I've got the die on the top. Not really. Yeah, actually on the top. Get in there. Why are you being stubborn? Just because. I want to make sure that that's seated right in there. Now it is. Okay. All right. So I've taken the punch and now it's going to come up from the bottom. So I'm going to keep the aluminum on the top and the 18 gauge on the bottom, but now the punch is entering from the other direction. So now I actually have a solution. Boss, we can ship these by 4 p.m., all done. So that's an important thing to remember. This is the thicker material, it's steel, going into thinner material, that it's aluminum. This is the stronger material going into the softer material. So when we're clinching, the punch is sort of making a rivet out of the material that it contacts. So here, the punch is actually taking that 18 gauge steel and it's forming itself inside that little skinny aluminum. And now you've got a great connection, no welding, no cleanup, away we go. So we got lots more of those tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Look forward to hearing from you.